Best multi-room robot vacuums. These advanced cleaning robots are designed to efficiently navigate and clean multiple rooms with smart mapping, strong suction, and reliable obstacle avoidance. Perfect for larger homes or busy households, they save time and keep floors spotless with minimal effort. Broom Robot Face. Starting at number 1. Roborock S6 MaxV Robot Vacuum. Roborock S6 MaxV Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-end robot cleaner with advanced dual cameras and AI obstacle avoidance, so it recognizes and steers around objects instead of bumping into them. It offers powerful 2,500 pascals suction for strong cleaning performance on hard floors and carpets, smart LiDAR mapping with room-by-room schedules, and a mopping system with adjustable water flow, making it a great choice for homes with pets and lots of rooms. Number 2. Ecovacs Deebot T8 Robot Vacuum. Ecovacs Deebot T8 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner, a smart all-in-one robot that uses precision laser navigation, true mapping, to map your home efficiently and save multi-floor maps for customized cleaning plans. It features intelligent 3D object detection and avoidance to steer around furniture and small items, and the Ecovacs Home app lets you fully customize cleaning, including room labeling, scheduling, and setting no-go and no-mop zones. You can also upgrade it with an OZMO Pro oscillating mop system and a 2.5L auto-empty station, sold separately, for more hands-free operation. Number 3. Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum and Mop. Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum and Mop, a smart hybrid cleaner that uses precision LiDAR navigation and multi-floor mapping to efficiently map and clean your home, saving up to multiple floor plans for customized room-by-room cleaning paths. You can set no-go zones, virtual walls, and selective room cleaning via the Roborock app, and control it with Wi-Fi and voice assistants like Alexa. With strong 2,000 pascals suction, auto carpet boost, and a vacuum plus mop combo with an adjustable water tank, it's great for daily maintenance on hard floors and carpets alike. Number 4. Shark RV1001 AEIQ Robot Self-Empty XL. Shark RV1001 AEIQ Robot Self-Empty XL Robot Vacuum, Black, a feature-packed smart cleaning robot designed to make upkeep easy and hands-free. It automatically empties into its extra-large self-empty base after each run, so you can go weeks without manually emptying the dust bin. The built-in IQ navigation system maps your whole home and plans methodical, row-by-row cleaning, letting you choose specific rooms via the Shark Clean app or control it with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With powerful suction, a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it's ideal for homes with pets and busy lifestyles. The robot also recharges and resumes cleaning on its own if the battery runs low mid-cycle, and a multi-stage filter helps capture dust and allergens. Number 5. Proscenic M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Proscenic M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Black, a versatile robot vacuum with advanced laser navigation, LDS, that efficiently maps and scans your home for methodical cleaning, plus the ability to save multi-floor maps for larger spaces or different levels. It delivers up to 2,700 Pa powerful suction, strong enough to pull up pet hair, dirt, and fine dust from both hard floors and carpets, and automatically boosts suction on carpets. You can control it via the Proscenic Home app and schedule jobs, choose zones, or set virtual no-go areas, and it also supports voice commands with Amazon Alexa. With a long-lasting battery and customizable cleaning modes, it's designed for thorough and hassle-free maintenance of big homes.